Hey everyone! Are you ready to make a super crunchy, delicious, and easy Mediterranean salad recipe? This salad is absolutely perfect for the fall season and packed with incredible flavors and textures. Let's get started with our fresh ingredients. I've got 1 medium red onion thinly sliced, next, a single cucumber cut into bite-sized pieces and 1 ripe tomato, also in bite-sized pieces. We'll add 1 medium radish and a half cup of capsicum, both chopped. For those authentic Mediterranean flavors, we'll toss in 2 tablespoons of fresh mint leaves, a handful of crisp lettuce leaves, and a handful of peppery rocket leaves. For a hearty touch, we've got a half cup of red kidney beans, and for a surprising sweetness, 1 chopped apple. Now for the dressing. We'll start with the juice of 1 large lemon. Season it to your taste with salt and a dash of black pepper. For that classic Mediterranean aroma, I've also added a dash of oregano. It's optional but highly recommended. Finally, we'll drizzle generously with olive oil. I'm using about 5 to 6 tablespoons, and for that extra crunchy texture, we'll top it all off with some mixed dry fruits. These are roasted and salted, and they really take this salad to the next level. Just mix everything together very well. This salad is so refreshing and super delicious, you won't be able to stop eating it. Enjoy it as a standalone meal or with your favorite main course. Thanks for watching. If you loved this salad recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!